Have you ever wondered if there's another version of you out there, living a completely different life? Imagine a world where every choice you've ever made branches off into a new reality, creating a parallel version of you. It's a mind-bending concept, but one that has fascinated scientists, philosophers, and storytellers for centuries. To understand the possibility of a parallel you, we first need to dive into the concept of the multiverse. The multiverse theory suggests that our universe is just one of an infinite number of universes, each with its own set of physical laws, constants, and realities. These parallel universes could be incredibly similar to our own or radically different. But how does this relate to you? Well, if there are infinite universes, it stands to reason that there could be versions of you living in those universes, making different decisions, experiencing different events, and leading completely different lives. Quantum mechanics, the science of the very small, offers another intriguing explanation for the existence of parallel versions of yourself. One of the most famous interpretations of quantum mechanics is the many worlds interpretation. According to this theory, every time a quantum event happens, the universe splits into multiple realities. For example, when you make a decision, say, choosing between two job offers, the universe splits into two, one where you took the first job, and another where you chose the second. In each of these new universes, a parallel version of you exists, living out the consequences of those decisions. But what does it mean if parallel versions of you exist? Philosophically, this idea challenges our understanding of identity, free will, and the nature of reality itself. If there are countless versions of you, what does that say about your choices and the person you believe yourself to be? Some philosophers argue that the existence of parallel versions of you suggests that every possible outcome of your life is already happening somewhere in the multiverse. This can be both comforting and unsettling. On one hand, it means that every decision you didn't make is being lived out by another version of you. On the other, it raises questions about the nature of free will. Are we truly in control of our actions, or are we just one of many possible versions? So, is there any scientific evidence to support the idea of parallel versions of you? While direct evidence is hard to come by, certain scientific theories lend credibility to the concept of parallel universes. For instance, string theory suggests that there could be multiple dimensions beyond the ones we experience. If these dimensions exist, they could host parallel universes, each with its own version of reality. Additionally, some cosmologists propose that cosmic inflation, the rapid expansion of the universe after the Big Bang, could have created bubble universes, each a separate universe with its own set of physical laws. What does the possibility of a parallel you mean for your life here and now? While it's fun to speculate about alternate versions of yourself, the concept also offers a valuable perspective on the choices you make and the life you lead. The idea of parallel versions of you can serve as a reminder of the infinite possibilities that life offers. Every choice you make sets you on a unique path, and while it's fascinating to think about other paths you could have taken, the one you're on is just as significant. It's a testament to the power of your decisions and the uniqueness of your personal journey. Whether or not parallel versions of you exist, the idea invites us to reflect on the vastness of the universe and the profound impact of our choices. In the end, what matters most is the life you're living now. The choices you make, the experiences you have, and the person you become. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the concept of parallel versions of yourself, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more explorations into the mysteries of the universe. And as always, share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's continue the conversation.